All right, so we are live already. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys, and also for those of us joining from the WhatsApp group and all, welcome. Let's start. Let's start the class now. So please, if you can go to YouTube, just share the link. Share the link so that other people can join. Um, yeah, we're live now. We're live now. So I'll still be sending the YouTube link in case you want to still join using the YouTube. You can still join. And okay, all right. So we're starting now. So you all can see my screen, right? Okay, so this is a free beginners class for 2024. So all right, we'll be starting with, first of all, you need to understand that forex trading is, what's forex trading? Forex trading is basically foreign exchange. All right, that's buying on currencies, selling on currencies, buying and selling. Basically, it's just basically you selling a currency and getting another currency, just like that. All right, it's simple. I just want to make this class very simple so that we can start from the just going to the main thing that I want to do. All right, so basically, some of the things you'll be needing for this class, you need to download your MT5, like I said on the group. Download your MT5, download your SNES broker, because we'll be using SNES as our broker, and brokers are basically like your banks where you fund, where you put the money, and you can now log in it on your MT5. MT5, your MetaTrader 5 is the platform for trading. Is where you see the candlestick, where you can place and enter your trade, where you can adjust. All right. If you can get me, please just type on the comment section that you are getting what I'm saying. All right. So we want to go quick. We want to enter into the main thing. We don't want to waste time. All right. So first exchange, foreign exchange, which is forex in short form, is just trading, buying and selling of currencies. All right. So, for example, you want to buy GBP USD and you are selling your dollar, because dollar is the base pair. All right. So you can trade, you can trade currencies, you can trade crypto, you can trade indices, you can trade stocks. All right. So foreign exchange is not just trading forex alone. Forex is part of it, but also you can see trade crypto, you can see trade indices, you can see trade synthetics, which is the VIX 100, VIX 75, VIX 75 1S, and so on. All right. Sorry. So basically, the first thing you need to quickly, we'll start from the basics. All right. I said you guys should watch a video. I sent a link, and I those are those videos contain some basic terms that you need in the forex market, like to understand okay what you are doing. All right. So you need to go um, watch those videos to understand some basic terms. All right. All right. So basically, we'll be starting from, because when you enter, the first thing you come across is your candlesticks. All right. So the market moves up and down. All right, but does not move just, it does not just move up once. All right. So candlesticks shows how the market is moving. All right. You can read the market, the chart, through using your you can read the chart using your chart, your line. You can use your line. You can also use your bar. You can use your, then candlestick. But candlestick, over 95% of traders and everybody use this candlestick because it shows more information. All right, it shows more information of the market. All right, um, so candlesticks are a suitable technique for trading any liquid financial assets such as stocks, foreign exchange, and futures. All right. So long white/green candles indicate there is a strong buying pressure. Okay, so let's just start from the basic. All right. So you see this green and the red candles. You see the you see the green and the red candle. All right. These are candlesticks. All right. So basically, we have we have two types of candlesticks. All right. So we have the bullish candle and the bearish candle. All right. So if you are following, please take note of these terms and all right. So bullish candle, bearish candle, bullish candle, bearish candle. All right. So you can see this picture here. This is the bullish candle, which is the bull candle, which represent the buy candle. That means the market is going up, the market is moving up. While the bearish candle represent the sell candle, means the market is coming down. Is that okay? All right. So we have the candle, their candle features. We have we have the we have the body of the candle, we have the wick of the candle, we have the we have the high, we have the low, and we have the open and the close. What differentiates the the bullish candle from the bearish candle is where the open and the close is. All right. So for a bullish candle, we have the open situated at this region because the market is going up. I don't know if you can get that. The open is here and the close is here. The high is here, the low is here. High low is here, high is here. But now the open is here and the close is here. All right. So I'll just go to the chart to show you these things on the chart. Let me. So basically, for can you all see my screen? If you can see my screen, please. Let me refresh that. I just want to show you guys. Let me take you guys through the candle and all that. So we said we have two types of candle. So let me use this one as the red, and this as a green. All right. So we said we have the So we said we have the bearish candle is the red one, the green one is the bullish. Right? So we have the wicks of the candle. Same thing for one is the bearish, which is the second candle, and the second one is the bullish one.